Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this device. So to start a screen recording, you can use one of the two following combination of keys. The first one contains 3 keys of on your keyboard. That would be Windows key, Shift key, and R key. So press them 3 all at once, and you will see a bar at the top of your screen that looks like this. Alternatively, you can use a print screen button, and you will still see a bar like this. So you have to simply switch the mode to record, and once you select this mode, you have to select an area of your screen that you want to record. You can adjust it by moving the sides and the corners of it, or just drawing a new selection if you want. And right here you'll be able to see a couple new icons. So this icon will unmute your microphone. This one will mute your system audio when you click on them. Now to start the recording, click start and then wait for the recording to begin. Let the application access your microphone, and right now everything that happens within this selected area will be shown on our screen recording. We can pause the video by clicking this icon, stop the video by clicking this red square icon, and delete the video without saving by clicking the trash bin icon. So let's stop the recording and save it, and in the preview we'll be able to watch the full video that we recorded once it loads up. I can see that it takes a little while. Okay, let's start the recording to see what we got here. That must be because my battery level is low. And as you can see, basically here is the recording. And if you want to trim it, you can use this quick tool right here by clicking on it and then trimming the recording. You can also edit with the video in Clipchamp by clicking right here, and save the new video by clicking at the save icon. And if you want to find your screen recording, you'll have to close this window and go to the File Explorer. Okay. So go to the File Explorer, go to the Videos section, and in Screen Recordings folder you'll be able to find the screen recording that we just made. You can open it using any video player program, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.